Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel a pending transaction Bank of America. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you cancel a pending transaction from Bank of America? Well, this one is pretty simple. So we have this article here directly from Bank of America. Now, to cancel a future or scheduled or recurring transfer, the most effective method is to adhere to the guidance provided on their website. The cancellation feature is located in the payment activity section. So alternatively, you can initiate a cancellation request for a future scheduled or recurring transfer by contacting them at the following number for consumer accounts and the following number here for small businesses accounts. Now, if you are calling from outside the continent or you in the US, you need to reach out to the following number that you see on your screen. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.